Hi guys, so today I'll be doing the service reset light for a Ford Galaxy 217 and the new models, and this is like a automatic transmission, and I just did the oil filter change and transmission oil change with the filter, and I just want to show it simply how to set a service light for it, because these cars are not really out there that much. And I'll just simply show you, like, if you start up the car, you can see the oil change required. So all you have to do, you just have to use your control button. So but this one, you're going to use this, and you can see it's still showing oil change required. Or you just have to press your side button, you press OK, then go to your side button, you press side button to access the menu, then you go down all the way to down to setting, then you go to vehicle, then go to oil life, press OK, hold OK to reset the button. So this is the button, you just have to hold it, you can see I'm holding it, and reset successful. That's it. So all you have to do, just have to go back. This button is just to go back, so just go back. That's it. Then you just switch off the car. You can see it's alarm full. Yeah, press OK for it. So what you do, you just have to on it again, and you can see this is just seatbelt light showing on the dashboard. You can see everything's completely cleared, and this is how you set your service light for Galaxy. And like I said, this is like a different spec of it, so, and you know pretty much going to see it. Just stay tuned. Well, if you don't come up my channel, see you soon. Bye.